Hello everyone, today we're doing an unboxing of Getihu Pocket Charger 2.4A speed power bank with LED flashlight, compatible with iPhone and Samsung, and a lot more. Okay, time to open the box and see what's in it. We have the charger, mini USB, regular USB, got the power button right there with the light, and let's turn it up, take a good look around. Whoops. And it comes charged. Now we will put that right there. It will go off on its own, just to let you know. Now to see what else is in the box. We have a USB cable, regular, mini, and we also have the flashlight. We have the manual. Pull it back close. And I don't know if you can read that, but if you can, good for you. Alright, and we also have a little carrying case, or a storage case. Kind of material it is. And let's try to zoom in to get a better view. Now we will compare the size of the charger. Now this is just one of those flashlights you get at Walmart. One of the small ones. I think I paid like $1 or $2 for. And if you put it right next to it, you see they're pretty much almost the same size. I mean, if you put it right on the charger itself like this, you know, I mean, and then of course side by side, they're about the same. I mean, the charger might be a little bit wider, so that gives you a rough idea, you know, how big it is. Okay, that was the comparison part of it. If you're curious if you can charge your like Samsung phones, you can. Of course you need to have your own USB cord that came with it. Plug it in, and then you turn on the charger by pressing the button once. To turn it off, you press it twice. And just plug it in. Whoops. There we go. As you can see, the phone is turning on. And for the flashlight, you just take the flashlight, it helps to take the cap off, and then you just plug it in and Let's see if I can, there you go. You have the flashlight. That's how the flashlight works. And this is everything that came in the box right here. Thank you for stopping by and watching, and I hope you enjoyed the review. And if you do, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.